What's up, everybody? Just a quick channel update. Just want you to know that I'm working through a bunch of older videos and the quality is kind of so-so because they're a few years old. Plus I was working with different cameras and stuff like that. Had poor lighting sometimes. So anyway, I'm working through it, but if you could just give me a like, do some kind of interaction. Do a like, comment, or subscribe or something like that, just so that YouTube sees something so I can help my channel grow, because otherwise it's really like it's kind of almost depressing. Put out a bunch of videos and then nobody. And by the way, the stuff you see in the background, that's what's coming. That's what I'm currently filming. Viper, Cobra, a ram, a Warlock ram that I made it into a Warlock, but there's some stuff on there, not that much. A lot of videos on this one. A lot of videos on this one. So anyway, just bear with me, watch some of the older videos that I'm doing, and then coming soon. Thanks, everybody. Bye.